It's been like 5 years. Got married, graduated from grad school. Then we had our wedding a couple months later in November. Let me show you guys that I am pregnant with our first baby. I am so excited. Ready to see my filthy kitchen? This, which I'm probably not going to touch this. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. That's probably staying there. This, that's wet cat food that we give them once a day. Ooh, I need to give them some today. We don't feed them once a day. They have a hard food dispenser that y'all heard earlier that kept rudely disrupting me while I was talking. Sink full of dirty dishes, dishwasher full of clean dishes, and countertops full of random things. So this is what we're gonna try to, this hot mess is what we're gonna try to make clean. So, you know, I could do the little snap thing, snap. Could do that, but no, y'all are gonna be here with me washing this together. So let's get it started. Also, have y'all heard of these cups? The Owala cups? They, again, ignore my nails. We're just surviving a day at a time. Okay, that's all we're doing. These Owala cups, obviously not sponsored, but please get one. They come in bigger sizes, they come in smaller sizes, they come in kid sizes. But one of the benefits of my job is that everybody is obsessed with these cups, and I'm glad that they put me on. They come in various colors. They have this little button that you push. Hold on, we're gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see this and not my face. Alrighty, as I was saying, these Owala cups come with this button that you push and it pops your lid open. Now, the cool thing about this is it has an open spout that you can drink out of, but also if you untwist this, it has a straw. And so right here, you just sip it like a normal cup and you don't have to tip it over and accidentally get yourself wet. When you close this, it locks. Did you hear that? Let's do it one more time without me talking. Oops. Oh, look at that. That's sexy. Okay, and now it also has this handle that you can hold on to. You can hook it up to a hook, obviously, because that's what you use hooks for. This size fits very easily into cup holders in your car. I think this is the 32 ounce, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the link down below so that way you guys can find it. But I love this cup so much. It's also insulated, so it keeps your drinks warm or cold. Ice stays icy all day long, no joke. We love this. So one main thing is, since I work from home, I have meetings from home. And so in the meetings, you obviously want to minimize background noise as much as possible. So you open it, you drink it, you set it back down. The loudest thing is the click. So just wanted to plug that in there because honestly, this cup is a lifesaver. Alrighty, dishes. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but a second ago, I opened this little dishwasher thingy right here and realized that we never started the cycle. So we're gonna wash as many dishes as we can by hand, clean up the countertops, start this cycle, and then maybe by the time I'm done hand washing, any other items we can pop in there, but we're gonna get through as much as we can today. Call it a day. Alrighty. Honey. No, ma'am. Get down.
Yeah. And then once you see how good I am with that, you're like, yeah, you can edit our videos too. We'll both do it. Wait.
Mwah.
Maybe a little bit now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, the people may want to see you. Oops.
Your organs?
Yeah.
Yeah, your organs are up by your boobs. Probably like underneath. I would say that's the what's the water they're in?
Amniotic sac.
Yeah, that's the amniotic sac you're feeling. Because
But it has ridges.
Okay. So that or her hair.
No, this feels weird.
When we rated it.
Yeah. Well, we're back. I'm back. It's later. Here's my husband. My handsome, sexy. Say hello. You can't speak? Okay. Caleb.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Husband.
Well, we ate dinner and hung out, watched TV, played with the cats, and he offered to help me put the dishes up from the dishwasher, and then we're gonna load it. So then we'll be done with this very extended edition of this Clean With Me. Sorry, y'all were at an angle. But we're back and ready for action.
You're welcome.
right, and we are done, you guys. We have a clean kitchen again. Did y'all see that lightning? It's storming like crazy here. We have a clean kitchen again. Woohoo! Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm so excited to be back. I'm excited to just hang out with you guys, catch you up on everything that's been going on, and just welcome you back to the diary, which it's not that anymore. You're just hanging with Megs now, and sometimes, occasionally, my lovely husband Caleb.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, until next time, you guys, I love you. Stay safe, stay happy, stay full of joy and just gratitude. See you later. Bye.